In the past 2 years, I've written 800 emails, a few dozen sales pages, and thousands of social media posts. And to be perfectly honest, I absolutely don't think I'm a great copywriter. But a number of my clients and several big name copywriters that I really respect insist that I know what I'm doing. And I'm also kind of tired. I just repeat those 3 dirty little hacks in email replies way too often, so I might just as well put them in a neat little video here on YouTube. Hey, my name is Jordan Parker. I help creators scale their businesses. And today I want to show you the 3 dirty little hacks that taught me copywriting and can probably teach you copywriting as well. And since copywriting is communication, I don't think you really need that many courses. I think you just need more practice. Using my dirty little hacks, that practice will be a little bit faster. Or maybe a lot faster. For me, it has been a lot faster, but I don't know. So let's get to them. We'll start with hack number 0. We start counting from 0 in this one because I am in a very shitty position when it comes to copywriting because I'm not a native English speaker. I'm from Bulgaria and Bulgarian is not English for anyone who knows. As a copywriter, you're absolutely fucked if you're not a native speaker. So hack number 0 is learn English. If you don't understand the nuances and the vibe of different words in English, you just don't really stand a chance. But of course, you're probably a native speaker, so let's focus on hack number 1, which is growing on a text-based social network. My poison was Twitter. Back then it was called Twitter, and it was a very interesting journey because suddenly, from writing the way I used to write, long-form blog posts with a lot of fluff and a lot of long fancy words to make me look very smart, I had to learn to write tweets. And tweets are like this long and my blog posts were this long. So that was a problem because I couldn't fit a blog post in a tweet, and my initial tweets were absolute garbage because they sucked. What I had to do if I wanted to grow, my only goal was to grow. I didn't care about copywriting. I just wanted to grow. And you should do the same. You should just care about, hey, how can I get as many people and as many eyes on my content? So as you're doing this, you'll be forced to think about many copywriting principles that are kind of necessary if you want to have any well-performing posts. You have to follow the rule of 1. You have to have good hooks. You have to write using simple English. You have to format your text well. There is 1,000 little things that you actually have to learn because you're trying to grow on a social network and because a lot of the people who are already growing successfully are already doing them, and you just naturally mimic them and learn those without ever having to read a book on them. And before we get to the second dirty little hack, if you want to see my copywriting in action, I have a disgustingly good welcome sequence that you'll probably enjoy. It's in my newsletter, Creator Income, where I help creators scale their businesses. You can join from the link below. But we get to dirty little hack number 2, passive practice. This is something that I learned while practicing magic, and it's actually the ability to practice without it feeling like a practice. And the way you do this with copywriting specifically, because this is a copywriting video, not a magic video, unfortunately for you, my magic is so fun. But anyway, the way you do this in copywriting is by trying to use copywriting everywhere. And what I did was just that. I used copywriting everywhere. I wrote my emails trying to make them the best copy possible. I wrote my text messages to my friends trying to use copywriting principles and formatting. I even still format and write my AI prompts using the best possible copywriting I can. Any words that I type on a keyboard, no matter where, no matter when, will use copywriting. I do not care how many people will see them. I just do not care. My goal is to practice this as much as humanly possible every single day. It is one of the best and fastest ways you can get good at anything, by just practicing more than anyone else. So find ways in your day-to-day in which you can insert more copywriting and just add as much as humanly possible. This will speed up your process like nothing else. And finally, the dirty little hack number 3, which I actually started the video with. I send a lot of emails. I write daily emails, and when I'm selling, I can write even more than daily emails. Writing an email every day helps me think, helps me understand my ideas better, helps me explain my ideas better and help people more. And of course, it makes me a better copywriter because all of my emails are practicing copywriting. They're written in the best possible way because I want people to read them. I want people to enjoy them. I want people to like them and value them so much so they want to work with me. So I put real effort in my daily emails, and after several hundred of them, it's absolutely inevitable that my skills leveled up as well. So yeah, if you think about it, I just kind of tricked you into watching a video that just says practice more. But with my little hacks, it should be easier at least. So good luck.